Welcome to another video by Abron Export. This is deluxe mini cleaning kit or repair kit or tool kit. It comes in the packing, and then there are parts. Here we have the tester, which is inductive type, or there is one checking the current and how much way. If there is a breakage in wire, one cutter is there, two types of screw tires, one flat, one this kind of a 4-mouth, another big one, plier, one hammer, one multi tape is there, this adapter is there, one measuring tape is here. So it all comes in a one carrying case, very easy to care and take and use it anywhere. Very easy. They are very strong, very heavy, so that the use, and then this is adjustable so that you can open the screws and you see. Please visit the website. And this is my abron01@gmail.com is our email. Website is abronexports.com and WhatsApp number is 941602001. Please share the videos, like the videos, and subscribe to the channel and send us the requirements. Thank you.